Save time, save money, eat better. Snack time should be fun and easy, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, so you take a giant bowl of Chex. Can't say that? Okay. You take a giant bowl of cereal squares and cheese squares and corn commas. Anyway, you're gonna put them in the bowl, you're gonna add some melted butter. Once you've got your butter in there, take your McCormick taco mix, put it in. It's a rainstorm of flavor. Put that there, get spatchy. You're just gonna mix. Once it's totally mixed, throw it in the microwave for a minute. The butter helps the flavor adhere to the little squares. And when it's done, you've got an awesome, delicious snack to go. Second thing, what's white and green and tastes really good? Avocado dip. It's avocado, lime juice, milk, Greek yogurt, and cilantro. Then we're gonna add McCormick onion salt, a little garlic, and of course, a little more coarse black pepper, of course. Put the lid on, mix it up. Okay, so as long as you do that, everything will be fine. Pour it out, and you have yourself some incredible, delicious avocado dip. Yeah, tastes like a winner.